On your homepage, select your study from your top 5 projects. If you do not see it there, select View All and find it within your projects list. In this section, you can also choose the columns that appear on the screen by selecting the column chooser option to the right of the screen. Here you can sort, filter, and choose what columns appear on the screen. When you make a change, ensure you select the tick in the top right-hand corner to apply it. You can use the study title in the search bar to narrow down your search. Click on the ETH identifier to access your ethics application. The first page provides you with an introduction to completing your ethics application. Clicking on any gold text on the screen will open the information in a new tab. Before proceeding to the next page, you need to select the Acknowledge and Continue button at the bottom of the page. Certain information provided in the project registration will pre-fill throughout this form. Do not remove or change this information unless you identify it is incorrect. The help icon at the top of the page provides page-specific information and guidance. Below that, you can invite study team members to view or edit the application. The coordinating principal investigator and anyone with edit access on the ethics application can share the application with anyone that has a REGIS user account. Project team members listed in the project registration will appear here. You may see the same person listed multiple times. This is because they may have different roles in the study, such as the coordinating principal investigator and principal investigator. You can add additional team members here. If any study team members have changed since project registration, these details will need to be updated. These details will also need to be manually updated in any site applications, as they will not automatically flow through to those forms. You will need to complete data for any new team members added via the previous page. If you wish to have an admin contact for your study, select Yes for question 1.9.5. This person will receive system correspondence alongside the coordinating principal investigator. REGIS uses smart form technology and will ask or hide further questions or fields based on your response. Any documents added during project registration will appear here. If any of these documents were in draft form, you will need to upload the final version before submission of this form to the HREC. To upload a final version of a document, you do not need to remove the whole row. Select the red X next to the electronic file name, and then upload the final document. If the final document you have uploaded has a different version or date, ensure you update that in the description of the attachment, as this is the information that is used to create your approval letter. You can add further documents for HREC review here. When adding documents, ensure the version and date are provided in the description of the attachment, if applicable for your document. The reviewing HREC details are listed here. Ensure you select the correct review pathway. If you are unsure, it is recommended that you contact the reviewing research office before submission. Only the coordinating principal investigator will have the certify button. If you are the CPI and you are not listed here, navigate back to project team details and ensure your role is selected correctly. Only the coordinating principal investigator or delegate will have the Generate HARIA document button. Once submitted, the ethics application will then be with the reviewing research office for eligibility review. If you have listed any New South Wales or Tasmanian sites in project registration, they will generate for completion upon submission of this form. The coordinating principal investigator and admin contact will receive system correspondence and notifications during the review process. You can see that the status of the ethics application is now submitted. This means it has successfully submitted to the reviewing research office.